أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the outcast.
وما قدر الله حق قدره إذ قالوا ما أنزل الله على بشر من شيء قل من أنزل الكتاب الذي جاء به موسى نورا وهدى للناس تجعلونه قراطيس تبدونها وتخفون كثيرا وعلمتم ما لم تعلموا أنتم ولا آباؤكم قل الله ثم ذرهم في خوضهم يلعبون.
They do not value Allah as he should be valued, when they say, Allah did not reveal anything to any human being. Say, who revealed the scripture which Moses brought, a light and guidance for humanity. You put it on scrolls, displaying them, yet concealing much, and you were taught what you did not know, neither you, nor your ancestors. Say, Allah, then leave them toying away in their speculation.
وهذا كتاب أنزلناه مبارك مصدق الذي بين يديه ولتنذر أم القرى ومن حولها والذين يؤمنون بالآخرة يؤمنون به وهم على صلاتهم يحافظون.
This too is a scripture that we revealed, blessed, verifying what preceded it, that you may warn the mother of cities and all around it. Those who believe in the hereafter believe in it, and are dedicated to their prayers.
ومن أظلم ممن افترى على الله كذبا أو قال أوحي إلي ولم يوح إليه شيء ومن قال سأنزل مثل ما أنزل الله ولو ترى إذ الظالمون في غمرات الموت والملائكة باسطوا أيديهم أخرجوا أنفسكم اليوم تجزون عذاب الهون بما كنتم تقولون على الله غير الحق وكنتم عن آياته تستكبرون.
Who does greater wrong than someone who invents falsehood against Allah, or says, it was revealed to me, when nothing was revealed to him, or says, I will reveal the like of what Allah revealed. If only you could see the wrongdoers in the floods of death, as the angels with arms outstretched, give up your souls. Today you are being repaid with the torment of shame for having said about Allah other than the truth, and for being too proud to accept his revelations.
وَلَقَدْ جِئْتُمُونَا فُرَادَى كَمَا خَلَقْنَاكُمْ أَوَّلَ مَرَّةٍ وَتَرَكْتُمْ مَا خَوَّلْنَاكُمْ وَرَاءَ ظُهُورِكُمْ وَمَا نَرَى مَعَكُمْ شُفَعَاءَكُمُ الَّذِينَ زَعَمْتُمْ أَنَّهُمْ فِيكُمْ شُرَكَاءُ لقد تقطع بينكم وضل عنكم ما كنتم تزعمون.
You have come to us individually, just as we created you the first time, leaving behind you everything we gave you. We do not see with you your intercessors, those you claimed were your partners. The link between you is cut, and what you had asserted has failed you.